Alright, welcome back to the next edition of From Hoarder Hell to Home, and today we're going to be turning on the power to the house. We're in the house. I showed you in the first video the tour of the current situation. Had a cleanup company come out today to give an estimate, and that will be a project for next week that we'll be detailing, is cleaning up the mess. But right now we're going to try to get the power turned on to the house and see if the lights work. So the first step is to go in the house, make sure everything in the breaker box is shut off. There's a master disconnect outside that is turned off right now, and we had the power company come out earlier today to install the meter. So we should be ready to go to get this power turned on. I'm going to do it before it gets dark. Alright, so like I said, get the meter put in. There's a service disconnect outside that we've got off right now. We'll go inside where we've still got a little bit of light. Make sure everything's off in the breaker panel. Then we'll come back out and flip on the switch. Alright, so I've actually brought a respirator because I have allergies to mold and the smell in here is kind of strong, so I'm going to put this on before I go in. Remember, it said that there's a snake in here somewhere, so hopefully we don't find him.
I put the metal things I found.
Alright, so here's our panel, and our master disconnect is off in here. So now we'll go outside and flip on the power, and then we'll start turning things on individually inside. Start by turning on the arc fault circuits. Should be the bedrooms and lighting. Let's see if we got some lights. Yeah. There's a light.
Oh, there's one light. Here's a light. No bathroom light yet.
Here's the electrical panel cover down here. And of course you can't read anything that's on it. That's the well. So that's basically every 110 volt circuit is turned on, except this one. So we do have some lights on in the house now.
You have to look at the one in the bedroom because it's pulled out. The one doesn't work. But I got the bathroom light on in there and the living room light on. The bathroom light didn't go on before.
There's like one bulb, and as if they're even working.
Oh.
Alright, we're here in the master bedroom. Actually, Mother was over here earlier cleaning it up a little bit, just for fun. But you can actually see the floor a little bit now. You know, it's still disgusting. But, so we got power on the house. Here's what's going on with the toilet right now, and then what that is. This house, it's a modular, but it's got like trailer electrical wiring, as you can see, which is all going to have to be replaced with actual boxes. Smoke detectors aren't happy. But here's a little bit better of a look now that we have some light. Actually see what's going on. So the good news is the power's turned on. We don't smell any smoke. And mission accomplished for today. Tomorrow we'll come back and reevaluate things a little bit more. Maybe try to start getting some heat going. There's not a whole lot we can do till we get the cleaning crew in here to get everything cleaned out, and then get the HVAC figured out, since it is still winter, and we can get the house up to a temperature where we can work. Alright, so until next time.